How to remove red wine stains on sofa. Red wine can be very healthy and delicious to your health, but on the other hand, it can be the worst enemy to your sofa. You can never prevent the need for celebrating, which will mean that you are going to have a party. Here is when people could get overexcited and end up spilling wine all over and leaving stains on your comfortable seats. Gathering the supplies. Prior to starting the stain removal process, you will need to get the necessary materials that will help you to remove them. Get some clean towels, water, table salt, mild dishwashing liquid, laundry detergent, white wine, and a vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner should have a brush attachment for easier cleaning. Using salt and white wine. Once the drink has spilled, blot it immediately with a dry terry cloth, but avoid rubbing the stain vigorously. If you rub it, the stain will be pushed deeper into the fibers of the sofa. Using white wine will neutralize the stain, which needs an instant move. Washing or using dry cycles. For the slipcover that is stained, wash it in your washing machine. The setting will need to be warm, then add a half a cup of laundry detergent to get rid of the stain. But if the stain is on the back or the arm of your sofa, or if there are no slipcovers, you will need to use a different way. Working on the smell. Since you might be using white wine in the process of cleaning the red wine, it might leave some smell on your sofa after the stain is removed. The smell will also be noted even after using laundry detergent or dish soap. However, this will fade out gradually as time goes by. Removing the stain is never difficult, as long as you remove it immediately. Also, ensure that you don't rub vigorously the stained area, which will also push the stain deeper. Therefore, when you have your next party, and you are sure of plenty of red wine, you would better keep the cleaning materials set in case of any spills. When using the white wine, use enough amount, in order to avoid the smell from remaining in the sofa for long.